blood clad vlogger boy we a play with man name. But take off my shades. I look on the straight in our own eyes when me attack. Cause me is a straight man. I'm gonna speak lies. Now people, I want to listen what me I say. Saying a DJ Magnum this from Guyana. Now, me is a entertainer, a DJ. All in a me clash them, me go play cartel music. If you go up on YouTube and you type in Notorious DJ Magnum anyway, go up on Facebook, Dorel Romeo, whatever. When you can go test it out and then talk after. People, me play cartel music every blood clot night. Yeah? As me there chat right now, me not even sleep. And Magnum Sunday me a forward from, bro. And I can't tell me play that. But guess what now? It coming like say cartel fans them. Why you fi just do what them a do, bro? Them why you fi bow to cartel. Them why you fi pray to cartel. Them why you fi kneel to cartel. But want to look on this blood clad video and understand what me a try to say. Look on this blood cleat. See that?
Yeah. I in a prison, me a make millions, me a talk about US dollar nigga. How about a big sound, washy fever? It's a
see that? Them want man to slow down them speed. So him, that like a retarded frack post holder with the gods them curse, can look like him better than everybody. Yeah, listen me, I make me tell you this straight. DJ Magnum, me play cartel music and they say it stop. Me nah about to cartel, me nah stoop to cartel. Me cartel a pussy that big man thing, bro. Yeah, because if you follow back our man, I bow to our man. We know Lisa I from she a 5. Watch her grow when she turn 16. Fuck her. Then go video her and put out the picture out there. And then see her mad and have all of them money and turn your back on her. If I meet the Lisa father, me alright. How me if you follow blood clot cartel? When me see killer, rice cartel, and then cartel stay so and come cuss killer the nastiest way. Well, listen what me I tell you now. If cartel can cuss bounty killer, then he can cuss any artist. So some artists when they run cartel attack but loyalty when a blood clot idiot. Now that's why the most loyal man pan the Gaza can't even go up on the plane with blood clot cartel. And at 13 years him sit down in a blood clot jail. Yeah? To some boy love man. And me don't tell you no say me I love man, bro. Saying so all the loyal chant stam loyal like foot I tell him I know him still get a blood clot trolley. Hear that? So me now walk back a cartel. How me fi walk back a man we have devil pan him hand and God pan him for it. Bamba will listen to me carefully. I'm the messenger. The verdict was placed on Magnum. I mean, I want nobody come tell me about, oh, where DJ Magnum know about Jamaica? A Jamaica Magnum did go when God blessed me with the spirit on a call flex and ask flex. If me and him never sit down on a vegan, go ask Mendy's we used to bodyguard killer. We used to keep Galley bunks. Yeah, the last show him have had up at Linstead when being here acting them did there super farm when the people them back to the show I was there. So me no want a man come sidestep my rascal thing, dancehall my thing. This has nothing to do with Jamaica, Guyana and Trinidad, nothing. This is a spiritual warfare taking place and I know about a cartel. And then the thing that is getting me upset, cartel is doing something. He's using a marketing strategy. He have some vlogger, he might pay to speak lies. Vlogger. If you wanna continue to play with my name, you're not gonna make it wicked pan cartel. Because if you wanna speak lies about Magnum, then I will speak the truth about cartel. Because you can't come manipulate me bumbo hole. Yeah. So all the fuck you talk about, oh, my father, my brother, my father is not your brother, cartel pussy. That you got take back your talent and turn you in a frog and stop your ear from grow and kill your nature. Yeah. And me can give you the details from blood clot that I true that make you have a friend every artist now on a pussy. And I talk about, oh, me if you walk back a cartel. Oh, me if you walk back a one man we go in a one song. I say him don't just popcorn. And then when him blood clot done, him still go friend popcorn. Me if you trust cartel, you know see cartel kick down Ninja Man and violate Leng. And then uno post all fans we him have. I talk about Leng want violate blood clot cartel. What uno did there when cartel kick down Ninja Man past thing? Uno know which part cartel did put Leng there, sir? And then I use manipulation like say him is the saint and cartel does nothing wrong. And cartel a blood clot demon. Devil upon your hand. God by your forehead. And you want me if you trust you. Oh, me if you trust a man where I walk with false here. I act like say it real. Like how you walk with see them and act like see them is a girl. When see them is Mr. Stanley, a blood clot tranny. I wanna don't tell me nothing. From a man sell him soul, then him can sell batty hole and fuck batty hole. Cool. Yeah, can't tell no business but nobody. Then I talk about world boss. How you fi name world boss and I walk out the airport with rumbacker? You know why I have to walk out with rumbacker pussy? Because you are the slave. You're a slave for the devil. And if you ramp with the devil, him send you back to jail for punishment, 13 years, pussy. That's why you come out and you're frightened for talk, and you don't know. If the devil tell you go in a song and say, your pussy good like Jesus, you have to go sing that bumble wall. The cartel with the people them know, with the world know, that cartel has gone. That's when cartel was in the light. Now cartel the over upon the dark side. God take back him blessings. Why you feel cartel the upon him concert a sing and cannot find lyrics? And just like how him father steer the devil, him have the devil style, you know. And your cartel are going to cramp your blood clot style. Cause here, anybody know Magnum? Long before cartel come out of prison, I have one thing woman always say. Song in the sun. I plays no game and I speak no lies. Lies are the worst sin upon the universe. And that's what cartel is doing. Cartel is paying vloggers to speak lies. And I'm not that type of person. Me are the type of person who would pay to speak the truth than to talk lies for free. That's the type of person I am. Yeah. Cause the vlogger them we are talking about, oh, Magnum doesn't like him country. And I like me don't like me country. I don't like the style of the people that's living in the country. Because them licky, them love to run for famous people and rich people like how you got the hospitality. But the difference with cartel, me know why you feel special. You like a post hole, you have out your phone and I send your vloggers them to put this on the internet and put that. Cause if Will Smith come a guy and I tell you bumbo clot, him get better treatment than you. So I don't want to feel like cartel ass class specialist just because Guyanese have a type of way where them greet famous people with respect. So cartel end up get a little respect due to that. You understand what me I say? Me nah follow back a cartel. There is no Obia man, there is no voodoo priest, there is no pastor can give you no the verdict and me have the verdict. Yeah. So vlogger, when I can ramp with me, I hear this bumble. Listen what me I say. God are the greatest. Hear what me want cartel do and prove this. Like cartel do one video and say, the God where him a talk about are the God from the heavens. Burn the devil, burn Lucifer, make him open his mouth and say that. And I talk about blood clot God. Pussy me see everything where you do cartel. When Mavado did I come to Guyana, you got turn on your phone, put a DJ for play and fling something like money pull up. Cause you want to manipulate gully God like say you and him more close. And Magnum is an outsider pussy. Well, make me tell you this. You know say all now you can't go near blood clot gully God. All now because guess what? You know. Me I tell you no. Cartel. You know. How Mavado mother die. You know. How Dante. Their prison. You know I don't wanna pick me dead. You know riding king in a wheelchair there. Don't ramp with me, because them your demons you walk with cannot does me anything. Lightning and thunder roll. The protector for the universe may roll with Maravirin. Carl Bido is name. Yeah, no gun, no bullet, none of that. Me never put up my hand and beg nobody for this boy. And the gods them chose me to do this. And my work not start yet. And now it take a blood clot start, cause me they have to prove a point. Cause bullet not turn back. And when me go for boy, me not miss. Me not have to wear glasses and hide and all of that. Possible. Listen what me I say. Vloggers, don't play with my name. You understand what me I say? Love and respect. If you not do it for love and no rate cartel, it's your job. But if he's paying you, don't take money for the fuckery. Because in the long run, who can hear I can feel? And who plays with fire shall get burned. I am the messenger. And me have the verdict, me know everything, bro. The gods them bless me with it. Me see everything and I knows everything. Believe me when me say so. Jamaica and me say, remove your demons. Please, when me say remove demon, our Magnum know about Jamaica and them guan are the same demons that put World Dog in a problem. Are the same demons that got rid of Romish. And then you put Spice. He come style Romish because you're a coward like the devil. You put people to fight your war like how you put Nuffy for this lane and you put Spice for this alkaline. And then you sit down in a one corner like you don't know nothing. Possible. And then you talk about your world boss. But you for win blood clad Grammy. You're too bright. I been him and the dancehall king. You a dancehall Viking, Lion King. Cause that's all you does lies. You're bright but you want to go against Bob Marley and through your fucking loose. You come up pay this little licky DJ boy if you come but him bright too. See? But like him want style blood clad Bob Marley. Jamaica, yo, I'm vexed with you too, you know, because when you not love music and tell no friend them when them wrong, you know. Saying, when I praise man, me not praise cartel. Cartel a demon and devil. Yeah, and yes, the war start. A Magnum in him, yeah. You got take me now, walk back a devil, now bow to the frog, suck out to the mother man, dark and bad. I don't give a fuck how much money you don't have. Social media skettle them a big time coward. Yo cartel, lightning and thunder the world. The heavens open. Ramp with me.